A VBox container? Yeah. And then we go user entry dot instantiate. Just like so. Oh no, Godot is giving me errors. What the? Why are you giving me errors, Godot? That's okay. Yeah, okay, new entry, and we just go add child for now. Add child, new entry, and hopefully, like, I mean, it is what it is, I guess. Unless, wait, thinking, what if, I'm wondering if we just have 10 ready to go. Anyway, let's leave it as is. Let's not touch it. So currently it has 1. So we should see 2 of this if I play. Although you're not gonna see the playing because it broke. Why did you break? Oh, it's a H box container, horizontal box container. I see how it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh wait, you can't look at that. Look at that, it did work. 1 and 2. Wow, it's 1 and 1, but it did work. Okay, I'm excited. That's cool. That is very cool. Oh, yo, 16 minutes ago. Pierre, thank you for the 40 stream streak. Yo, that's a big number. That's a big number. Okay, it worked. So this does work how I think it is. So if I was to just say, like, wait, can I do this? Can I add it multiple times, the same one? No, I cannot. No, I cannot. That's fine. That's fine. I don't care. Okay, what we do need to do is, like, we need to, like, set its parameters and stuff. So if we open up that scene, the user entry scene, what does that look like just on its own? Yeah, it's just like this. So new script, create. What do we do? Here, right, we need some variables. Let's go. I don't know, what's the best way of doing this? I don't really know. Maybe it's just setting the variables as is, I guess. It was kind of weird to access. Whatever. Wait, the number. Could we work out the number dynamically? Nah, we'll just say it. So this is the position, which is an int. 1 will be the default. Although it doesn't like that. Why do you not like this? What's wrong with you? Position's already in the class. Fuck. Oh wait, I can just go var position and it'll like let's go place. Wait, place is 1. Score is also an int. We'll say that's 0. Username, it's an int. This will be just like it's not an int, my bad. It's a string. It'll just be fimsh. Save. And then we need, wow, okay, we don't export these, that doesn't make sense. What we do export is we go at export var label, so this will be the position label, place label. Let's keep it consistent. So this is a label. And then we just copy paste that twice. So instead of place label, it is the username label and the score label. Let me rename this. This should just be username. Save. Did I forget anything? I don't think so. I think we're good. Yeah, we look good. Nice. Yeah. Okay. Fimsh D string process. Oh yeah, we just need to attach position to place label, username to username label, and score to score. Although, why is it p username? It should not be p username. I have to reassign it. Nice. And then on ready, here we go. Place label dot text is equal to place. We might need a toString this. Can I go string like so? No. There's probably a toString function. Oh yeah, there is a toString. Oh, it doesn't take a parameter though. Is it just place.toString? Maybe it does take a parameter. Like this. Too many arguments for toString called expected 0. What? Returns a string representing the object, defaults to place.toString? No. Wait, how do we string it? What am I looking for? Godot int to string. I gotta look this one up. Oh, can I just go str? Is this like C? Oh, it is. Okay, and then we got username label. The text is equal to, well, this one doesn't need a toString, it's already a string. And then we have score label. Label the text is equal to score. Ooh, this okay. I have a thought. Maybe can we reorder children? Godot reorder children? Can we do this? To reorder children in Godot, you can use the move child function, which allows them to change the order of the child nodes without removing and re-adding them. This method is more efficient than using remove and then add. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, that's interesting then. Cause what if? Cause what if we always have 10? Well, we won't always have 10 players though. Cause like if I just grab this and we just duplicate, and then we grab both of these and then we duplicate, and then we grab another one and we duplicate, and we grab all of these and we duplicate. Okay, the spacing is a bit wide. Horror vertically. Yeah, no spacing. Also, it's probably a bit wide in general. What if I change this to end? Okay, that doesn't change anything, that's fine. What if we move them manually? Hello, Sleepy. Thank you for harvesting. Do new plants need planting? Oh, they do. Well, we have some new plants. Oh, we have 2 more. What the? What are these? Green peas and pinto beans. You're nice. The farm is a little bit haphazard by the looks of it. Let's just plant some of these in. And then some green beans. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Okay, how are we gonna do this? Because like, it would be cool if we could have the what? It would be cool if we could just have them move, like the actual entries move when they move. Like, if you're a 10th, and then somehow you just ate a bunch of stuff all at once, and you came into first, like your entry like just moves up. We're gonna have to do some shenanigans to do that though. That seems difficult. Maybe we don't go that hard. We just like well, like, should I make them like each one of these listen for score updates? Or just this the head, just the leaderboard listens for updates? What does this look like in game anyway? Looks like that. User entry. Alright, the place, it should be plus. Can I put a plus here? Does it allow pluses? It did allow a plus. And then the username also needs a plus. Yeah, okay, nice. We need to make the whole thing smaller, but we'll deal with that later. That'll be a later thing. Okay, how do we keep track of everyone though? That's the thing I'm like questioning. Well, we do have the where's player? Here is player. We do have the signal for setting points on the client side. So if I go copy, where is here? It has the ID. Okay. Yeah, okay. I don't think we put that inside the user entry though. Scoreboard. I don't know how to do this efficiently. I guess we make it separate to. I guess we just have here. We just when we set points here, we go to func client set points, and what does this take in? ID and points. So fimsh ID means, and then points value. Not value. It's also int. We will need to update the top 10. I wonder. Oh, I don't know. How do I keep them ordered though? Without just like reordering it every single frame. I guess we could just have it update every 10 seconds. If reordering it needs to happen. Well. What if we get new points and fimsh ID? Oh wait, we don't have the username. Fuck. We need to start sharing the username. Thank you for watering. It's a very dry farm right now. Wait, let me think about the username later. That's a later thing. So I need to put that as a thing. Share username correctly. maybe add username overhead in game. Yeah, we probably need this. We probably need this almost certainly. Maybe boost. Add a unique twist feature. Action. That would be cool. I want to do this before release. Okay. Kind to respawn. I don't know. Leaderboard. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go over the children. Am I gonna go over the children? Or I'm in get children? Before I get children. Oh wait, this is probably a child now, right? Wow. For I in returns all the children in array of nodes. Oh, what if, hang on, I had an idea. Var children is an array of each box container. Oh wait, it doesn't, it wants it to be just a node? Yeah. What is the move child? Move child node to index. Oh wait, that would be easy then. Wait. Ooh, I'm thinking with my brain right now. Can get what if I go index? Get index. Returns this node's order among its siblings. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. So the place number should just be get index +1, and that will get us to have them counted. Like it will be 1 to 10. Oh wait, hang on. I need to stop doing this. Stop. Play. Yeah, okay, it did work. It does work like this. Okay, so that's perfect. Okay, so now that we have children. Oh wait, they need to have user entry. Var fimsh ID is an int. We'll say it equals -1. See. Yeah, and for now instead of after username we're gonna be plus fimsh ID. Just so we can see it update correctly. While we have the scuffed version. So if I come back to game here. Okay, so we have the fimsh ID and the points. We need to iterate over this backwards. Can we do that? Or maybe we just iterate over it forwards. Wait, if I go if children dot has, oh shit, we need the whole node. That's not what I want. What if we get the IDs and the scores? No, that doesn't work. Well, I guess it kind of does work. Wait. If we go for files in get children, and then we have a var of ID. yeah, an ID, which is an array of ints, and then a bar of score, which is an array of ints as well. Wait, it does not like that. Why does it not like that? Or is it a C array? No. Equals oh wait. We prefix it with array. Array. Yeah, there we go. Get children, and we go child dots fimsh ID, and then child dots score. I think it's score, and then here we go ID dot append, and then this is score dot append, and then what? And then what? Oh right, we should check if the current score. We go if points is greater than score, then we need to get the position. All right. Let me think. Var. Yeah. I need a variable to know which child is this current fimsh ID, if it is one of the fimsh IDs. Is on leaderboard position is equal to -1, I guess. Wow. Is on leaderboard. Let's just separate this out, like fuck it. There we go, false. Leaderboard position. Yeah, it will be -1. And then also new position int -1. Okay, so if points is greater than score. Wow. For that we go. If ID is equal to if fimsh ID is equal to shit, they're both fimsh ID. Oh, that's fine. If fimsh ID is equal to the child.fimsh ID, then leaderboard position is equal to child.gets index. Yeah. And also this now becomes is on leaderboard equals true. I guess. Well, yeah, I guess. Yeah. If points is greater than the score that's currently there, the new position.
The Cubestatin declares fimsh ID Owlkaline fimsh thought balloon.
What? Get index. Right? If points is greater than child score. Fimsh idea? What is the fimsh idea? Why is there a square box on the fimsh table? Is this like overlay? Shenanigans? Ideas? What is it? Fimsh cloud? Fimsh, what is this? Fimsh thought? Is that what it said? A fimsh thought? What's a cool ability that you like I don't know. How many people played Snake IO? Like you only have one ability, which is go faster. Is there like another ability that could be cool in this kind of game? Yo, hello Sarah, welcome in. I hope you're doing well. Oh yeah, so if it is greater than the current score, this is gonna be the new position. And this should be true even if it's in the same spot, but if it's not new position will be -1. Oh, okay. Let's just make another variable has a leaderboard position. Int bool is equal to false. So here has a leaderboard position equals true. Oh man, there's gonna be so much shenanigans. Blub blub. Blub blub. What are these emotes? Why do they not work in my overlay? Well, like, what if you could shoot a bubble at someone? What would it do though? How would you like dodge it? What would the counterplay be? What would it do if it hit you? Okay, so here we go. If it is on the leaderboard and has a leaderboard position. Oh wait, if it is on the leaderboard and it doesn't have a position, that means it's lost. Oh, we don't do anything then. But if it is on the leaderboard and has a position, then we go if the current leaderboard position is not equal to new position, then we can move child of the node. Oh shit, you pass a node? Why can't it just be 2 ints? Is there another like move child? Let's just go child. Fit child interacts sort children. Sort children. Wait a second. Remove children. Can we sort children? Why is this a signal? Omitted when sorting the children is needed. How does it know what to dot omits? How does it sort the children though? Oh man, this is so like, it's kind of yucky. I don't know how to make this good. Yo, does anyone know Godot? I want to know how to make this good. Because like, should I make a class that has this in it, and then I just keep a constant list of this, and then when it updates, we then update one of the children? Maybe we do this. But we're still sorting. Is sorting like a class faster than sorting children? Godot sort children. Because how do we like add and remove children as they get like oh man. Godot. What if I look up Godot make leaderboard? Leaderboards through Hello. What is Hello? I want to know what Hello is. Why do I need a library for a leaderboard? Generating an access key? What the? No. No, I don't want this. Leaderboard UI, background, margin, container, VBox. Leaderboard name, info, scroll, container entries. No. What is this? They're like advertising a library service. Godot asset library, easy leaderboards. I just want to know how you do it. Oh man, they all look so complicated. It shouldn't be that complicated, right? I mean, I guess like I'm currently facing quote-unquote complications, but that's just because I want to be optimal. Maybe I just change the variables as they come in. Maybe I just do that then. Let's fuck sorting the children. Let's fuck the children. I mean, don't let's not manage the children manually. So here we have, what am I saying? Don't. That's not okay. We don't care about the Godot children. We want to have an array. Okay, can I go class? User fimsh entry, and then maybe class is lowercase c, and then we have ID, username, string, oops. Then we have what is it? You want semicolons? ID, username, score, which is also an int. And is that it? Do you need to... What is going on here? Unexpected ID and body of class. Var. Do you var it up? Do we need a third one? Well, I guess they'll... If we sort them, they will be in position. I guess that's all. And then here in our main thing we have our leaderboard, and then this is an array of fimsh entry. Save. And then yeah, when we get a set points, I don't think we need anything below here, but we'll get to that later. Actually, yeah, we don't need any of this. We don't need any of that shenanigans. Set points, we go for entry in leaderboard. I don't know if we can do this. Maybe we can. We go if entry is equal to fimsh ID, entry the ID. Then we go score, entry.score is equal to points. Here we'll have var has entry, so boolean equals false. Here has entry equals true. Wow, let's go doesn't have. Doesn't have entry is true. And then here, well, I think has entry is better. Okay. And then after this we go if not has entry. If it does not have an entry, then we go leaderboard.append. What are we appending? Fimsh entry ID is fimsh ID. Username is fimsh plus fimsh ID for now. This needs to be a string. And then score is wait. Okay, it does not like this. Why does it not like this? How do I make a class? Oh, is it like... Is it just brackets? Maybe? Expected closing. Expected closing bracket after dictionary elements. I mean, we have a closing bracket, don't we? Oh, wait. This needs to be equals? Equals? Oh, okay, nice. And then save. And then what if we have a timer? Timer. Here we go timer dot wait time. Let's say every 10 seconds. We'll update it. And timer dot auto start is equal to true. And then we go timer dot connect. Timeout dot connect. Here we'll go update leaderboard. Save. We need a function for updating leaderboard, so here we go func update leaderboard. Then what? We need to grab our current leaderboard, sort custom. Do we sort custom or do we just sort? How does it sort by default? Sorts rank elements in ascending order. The final order is dependent on less than comparison. The sorting algorithm is used is not stable. This means equivalent elements such as 2 and 2.0 may have their order changed. Okay, that's fine. I think we need custom sort then. Sort custom. Callable. Godot custom sort. How do we use this? Find sort custom. Okay, DC. This callable is a function. Can I just go AB? Oh, okay. We go func sort entries, and then we go A, which is gonna be user entry. What did I call it? Fimsh entry. Fimsh entry, and B, which is also a fimsh entry, and this needs to return true or false. So boolean. Times a boolean. And here we go. Return A dot score is greater than B dot score. And then here we go sort entries. So we sort the leaderboard, and then we go through the children. Yeah, we go for I in range of 10. Get child. The index, so that will be I. So var child entry no. Entry no dot update entry, and we'll just pass in a fimsh entry here, I think. And that's it. I think that's all we do. This is gonna be a... Can I make this a specific type? I think so. Well, anyway, let's say it's node. That's fine. Update entry. Okay, so we got user entry here. So instead of this, well, we still have place. Well, no, we don't. Instead of this, we have a fimsh entry. So fimsh entry. The entry is a fimsh entry. It doesn't know what that is. Cannot find fimsh entry. Okay, we need like, okay, we need a new global file. We've needed this for a while. Where do we even put this? Because currently network has some stuff. What's under textures? Oh, just the grid. I should probably move the grid to assets. Yes. And then we delete textures. Cancel. Ooh, the food still relies on that, so we'll put that in assets. And now we'll delete textures. That's fine. Think of the many fimsh. Yo, I think today. Yo, what the? Yo. I really need. Wait, no. Does a Twitch event sub really not have stream streaks? Sarah and Aston, thank you for stream streaks. 15 minutes ago, you did some stealthy stream streaks. My god. 45 and 60. Holy moly. Holy moly. Twitch event sub stream streak. Watch stream streaks via event sub. You checked for a quick sample IRC and got this, some values removed. Oh, so the IRC has stream streak? Message prime ID, streak ID. Category what streak, message per ram code. Okay, we will need to look at that. It is IRC. Nice. I had a vote for that. You didn't see? Yeah, I know. When I last went through, because like I go through the changelog to know what updates I need to do on the event sub library, and I didn't see it there. Okay. I forgot what we were doing. Oh right, fimsh entry. Fuck. Okay. We need a new file then. A new script. This will be like the global stuff. We've tried to avoid global stuff, but like we kind of need it. I'm just gonna call it like config. We're gonna put quite a lot in here. So let me just save config and then we go project settings, globals. We add config.gd open and we close. Okay, so now if we go back to here, we're gonna yoink class fimsh entry and put that under config here. I'm gonna go class name config. I don't know if it extends node. We certainly don't have a process, and I think we will have it ready, but that's okay. So now if we come to here, we should. Does it not work? Does it have to be like config dot? Yeah, okay, fimsh entry, and then user entry. This is the same, so config dot fimsh entry. Okay, now we don't. Well, we do need these, but we'll update them later. So here we have func updates. I think it's update entry. Okay, new entry is a config.fimsh entry, and so entry is equal to new entry. I think that's it. Not quite. It's not quite it. We then do this. Yeah. Us. So the position. Wait, the position stays the same. Okay, position stays the same because these don't update anymore. So that just stays the same. These do update though. So we go entry dot username, entry dot ID, and then entry dot score. Okay, so that should now handle itself. And if we go back to the game, I think it's the game. Yeah, the game. Here, yeah, every 10 seconds. Oh wait, this is not quite right. This is config fimsh entry, config fimsh entry. Yeah, so update entry. That's what we called it here, right? It is. What is this? Fimsh entry not declared in the script. We don't care about that. Why are you? Let me just click play. Is it a false error? No. Okay, something's going on. Fimsh entry declared in the. What? Error at 41 here. Oh, fimsh entry. Ooh. Oh, this is leaderboard at I. Yes. Okay, nice. Time to see if it works. Press play. Okay, it did not work. What was the error? Ooh, we haven't created the timer. Let's go at export timer. Let's just handle this by the UI. Fuck it. Leaderboard. Oh, wait. Oh, because the timer becomes a child as well. Okay, this is where, when we're going over the children, here we go, if... Oh wait, that doesn't work? Fuck. that's okay. Is it okay? Maybe it's not okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. Here we'll just go if entry node is user entry. Here we'll go up here. Class name user entry, save. Yeah, that's fine. Add child timer. Yeah. Yeah, idle wait time. Let's go every 10 seconds. Auto start, save. And then under the leaderboard script, yeah, we do have a timer here, so why is it not exporting? Huh? Leaderboard, save. At export var timer. Yeah, and then timer duck next. That's fine. Oh, is this the wrong? No? Box container vertical. Is it not compiling? What's going on? Yeah, I go see and go at export var timer save. Yeah, okay, it just wasn't coming up for some reason. And then we attach that timer to it, and I think we're good to go. Now if we click play. Oh wait, server, client, and let's get another client as well. Oh yeah. Out of bounds index 0 on array fimsh. Array fimsh entry. Oh, leaderboard. Oh. Right, yeah. So this is the minimum between 10 and leaderboard dot get size. No. Leaderboard. What do you mean? Leaderboard. Length. Just size. Stop. Play. Server. Clients. Play. Okay, it's not updating. Well, we need 10 seconds, right? Well, you can't see anything, but also nothing's changed, so it's not working. Stop right there. Leaderboard. Was there errors? Were there errors? Oh yeah. Error calling from signal set points to callable this. Oh, I have the wrong number of arguments. Okay. That does explain a few things. So client set points. Right, this takes in what? Int. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, this one though. client network set points int. Set points. Why does it say int? There's clearly player set points. Where's set points here? Oh. What? How does any of this work? Player set points save, and then I go to the leaderboard, which is here. This is player set points save. So here this is player.id, player.point value, save, player.id, copy this, paste it here, player.point value. Hello EXO, welcome in. Yeah, thank you for the luck. Yo, I miss like everyone's streams these days. It's kind of crazy. Okay, let's see if this works now. I will show, because I think it might work. So we got Slimy Fimsh and Deadly Fimsh. We do need to give it 10 seconds to update. We should change that so it immediately triggers like once. Well, yeah. Let me swap the sides, because then they should be going back. I should just make the seconds 1 so we can see. Okay, we are getting errors. It is not working. What are the errors? Oh, here we are. Append to push the dictionary into typed array of objects. So, well, this should be a config.fimsh entry. I don't know how to make one of these. What if it's like new entry of fimsh entry, and then we go new entry.id is equal to this. Maybe it is like this. Copy, oops, paste. I'm gonna go username and then score. So username would be the fimsh this pasted, and then the score is this pasted, and then when we append this we can just go new entry, save. Okay, where's the timer? Let's say every 1 second for now. Play. We do need to hide it and whatnot, but that's okay. Server, client, play. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Okay, what was there? Oh. Invalid assignment of property key ID with type int on a nil value. Equals config.fimshentry.new. Is that how that works? We have our 2 things, play. Oh, it did work. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. Very nice. It is working. Do they reorder correctly? Fimsh 1.1 is now ahead. Fimsh 1.1 is behind. Let's go play. Oh yeah, so the score does reset. That's okay. So we go play now. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Okay, we go stop. Timer can be 10 seconds again. Save. Okay, we need to do some... Like, this works. It's perfect. But when they die, we need to remove them from the leaderboard. So, how do we know when a player dies? Client network. Oh, client network. Yeah, player died. Copy. So we go to not user entry. Game. This one, leaderboard. Here. Yeah. So under ready. Player died. Remove from leaderboard. Save. Go func remove from leaderboard. What kind of thing is this? Player died probably? Yeah, so we go player died. We go player dot ID. Okay, we need to go for entry in leaderboard. Then we go if entry dot ID is equal to player dot ID, then no. We want to what? Leaderboard dot arrays entry. Then we return. Wait, that should remove someone from the leaderboard entirely. What do we do when we should hide and show stuff. I think what I'm gonna do is layer transform process canvas layer aspect ratio. What I want is propagate up, ignore. Controls that receive mouse for input events are clicked on and triggering will receive mouse enter massing. Ignore this. The control will not receive any mouse movement inputs nor button input events. Through GUI input, the control will not receive the mouse entered signals. This will not block other. Yeah. We want ignore here. Save. Okay, I think what we're gonna do is we put this whole thing, so we rename leaderboard. Well, is it this? That's fine. Here we go. This will be the leaderboard scene, I think, here. So we go rename leaderboard. Save. And then we'll go make save branch as scene. This is the leaderboard scene, which goes under game overlay. Save. And yeah, that's nice. We need a whole thing for controlling that, but that's okay. And now if we open up the leaderboard, so we scenes game overlay leaderboard scene. Yeah, we have this now. Nice. Well, yeah. Thinking. We should set the ones we don't use to invisible. So I think what we do is, well, here we start the min range, which is not, well, if we always go the full 10, right? And we go, if it is user entry, then we go if I is less than or equal to leaderboard.size. This one. Else, entry no dot visible equals false. When we update the entry here, you go visible equals true. Save. Yeah, on ready we'll go visible is equal to false. Not true, false. Save. Yeah, so if I click play now, what does that do? Oh yeah, it's just a small square right now. We want it to not show up anyway, but that's okay. Okay, it didn't like something. Less than, just less than, not equal to. Then stop playing. Server, client, play. Oh, I put the update to, yeah, okay, nice. And then if this one disappears, it should, leaderboard should go back down to 1, I think. Yeah, okay, nice. It did the thing. Stop. Okay. That's pretty pog. Oh. Leaderboard. Yeah. Right. On ready. We are here if leaderboard dot size is equal to 0, then we go visible equals false, and then when we add a new leaderboard here, visible equals true. Well, actually no, it doesn't do that. Because when we add a new entry, we don't want it to become visible until we update the leaderboard, which would be here, and then we go visible equals true. Wow, we do that before this actually. It's just here we go. If leaderboard size is equal to 0, then we just return. There's nothing to do. Otherwise here we go visible is equal to true. Yeah. Nice. And then what? I think that's all really. Save. Okay, we have a leaderboard now. I think that's everything. Okay, it's not entirely invisible. Why not? Oh, because it needs to be panel container. Ooh. Do I move the script up to the top? Let's rename this to entry container list fimsh entries. The leaderboard itself. Okay, yeah, let's what is this? This is the leaderboard script. Yeah, okay, so here we go detach script. Then here we attach the leaderboard script. And then this is aspects ratio container. Then we have another at export var fimsh entries, which is a VBox container. And now the timer can live in the panel area instead of here, just for safety. We got timers here, fimsh entries, that can be, oops, here, save. And then fimsh entries is, well, visible's fine, leaderboard's fine. It's just when we do the child stuff. Leaderboard sort, yeah. Okay, here we go. Fimsh entries get child. That's an entry node. I think that's it. Because this is the only place where we do children things. Play? Why is it still visible? Stop. Here. Visible is equal to false. Should be false by default. Play. Okay, nice. Server. Client. Clients. Play. Play. Yeah, okay, they're both there. We get rid of this. Nice. Client. Play. Alright, nice. Very, very nice. Save. I forgot to stop this. Oh yeah, we got a leaderboard for fimsh size points. Nice. We don't share username correctly though. I guess what we do is the player. Does the player have a username? I don't think it does. No, it doesn't. So here we go. The username is a string, right? So I guess we need a set username thing. Because how will that be? Like when you press the play button. So where's the game? Yeah. This is rename. The rename. This is the leaderboard section. Save. This is the rename. Username play section. Save. Thinking. What am I thinking? Right, you put the username in here or random it, and then when you click play, that does a bunch of stuff, right? Yeah, because we have a play button, connect, play game. Yeah, here, request spawn. We should also reset a username here. Yeah, I guess so. I guess part of requesting a spawn, we send a username. Or do we just send a username randomly? Yeah, let's pass the username in. So we got username.text. Respawn. Save. Where is respawn? The packet. Spawn player respawn requested. Yeah, so here we go. Var username string. Here we go, username. And we go info username is equal to username. This is a string. Save. Info code. Create info from data. We have encode and decode here. So here we go, data dot encode.
Gundorf DV says Dayfim she won.
They finished D1. You're right. You're right. It's true. String dot. Dana dot. How do we make this a string? Decompress. Decode. How do we do the decoding? So yeah, data.resize and then encode and then data.decode. Okay, request, spawn requested. What am I looking for? Godot encode string. UTF-8 encode is a thing. Data.username dot sorry, not data. Info dot username. Wait, where does info come from? Username dot really? This does not help. This is not what I want. That's not what I want. Begins with big rams. Act string array. Big rams. Returns array containing the big rams. Pairs of consecutive characters of the string. This is a... Wait, does this return? Wait. So we go username dot big rams. It does return a packed string array. And with that we can go data dot append array. Oh well, we need a byte array to array. Let's do this and then append array. Can't duplicate receive has push back, remove at reverse R, find slice source. Oh, to byte array. This packed byte array. Yeah. And we go data dot append array. We do this. Save. Then here we go. Username is equal to data dot what would it be? How do we do the opposite of this? Big. What is a big rams? I don't understand what a big Rams is. How do I do the opposite of this though? Packed string array. Oh wait, we can go act string array dot let me just go var array is equal to this. No, it doesn't like this. Hacked string array is not declared in scope. From data. Do you think this is right? So then username is equal to plus to binary. Independent array, clear, count, erase, duplicate, fill, find, insert is empty, pushback, remove, reverse, size, sort, to binary. Case map to character contains n count end dedent. Hex decodes hexadecimal string as a hacked binary. Oh, okay. Maybe we do this. This looks better. We are username dot to utf8 buffer dot dot hex encode, and then here this becomes data dot hex not encode decode dot get string from utf8. Right? No? What's wrong with this? Wait, this turns it into a string. Wait, UTF-8 buffer is already the thing? Yeah, this is a packed byte array. Converts UTF-8 into encoded packed byte array. This method is slightly slower than to ASCII buffer, but supports UTF-8 characters. For most cases, prefer using this method. The inverse of this is get string from UTF-8. Okay, we want packed byte array to get string from UTF-8 plus in data. Is it just like this? Data dot get string. Oh yeah, get string from UTF-8. It's here. Okay, cut that out. Paste it in. Nice. Do we need to do some sizing shenanigan? I don't remember. like slice. What is data? Why are we slicing 5 here? Player died. ID. Slice 5. Why are we slicing 5? That doesn't make sense. Oh yeah, here, data slice. Yeah, we want to do this then. For request spawn, data slice 5, and then the rest is the username. Well, is it though? Because this is an ID here. But we don't have an ID. Okay, maybe we don't slice 5. It might be slice 1 though? I'm not sure. I guess we will find out. Anyway, so okay, that's fine. Request spawn now needs a username, and that goes to the server network server handler. So on peer connect, on peer disconnect, on server packet. Oh yeah, on server packet. Request spawn timer, handle player spawned. Broadcast new player. Okay, spawn player should have a username here then. So here we'll just go username, so this will be alright, we never decoded it. That's fine, we'll decode it here. We go spawn is it request spawn dot from data, and we pass in data. So your player info is equal to this, so this is request spawn. So here at the end we go player info dot username, just like that. And everything else is fine. Okay, now spawn player. This now needs a username. So bar username string username string info.username is equal to username. Okay, from data. Yeah, encode. Oh yeah, here we go. Data dot appends array, and then this array is username dot to UTF-8 buffer. Here we go. Data is equal to data.slice. Was 4 bytes, 13. Slice 13, and then we go username is equal to data.to UTF-8 save. Okay, so spawn player now has a username, and then on the player spawner, yeah, so instead of the name here, we go fimsh dot. Wait, let's spawn a signed fimsh curve. Uh-oh, spawn player. That's here. Yeah, here. So this is now spawn player dot username. Yeah, username. That's fine. Oh, player. We already have a name in here, right? Find name. Okay, it's just username. Okay, go back to the spawner. This is username. Username is this. Nice. Okay, username and username. Fuck, we need to add this in other places too. Okay, that's fine. That is fine. And then when the player is requested their information, broadcast curve. Yeah, we need a username here as well. God damn it. Oh wait, we won't know how long it is though. Oh shit. We'll come back to this one. We'll come back to this problem. This we can probably solve it with a different method, which is fine. Players spawn it. Yeah, okay, so we do have new players having the correct username now. The leaderboard. Well, fimsh entry does have a username, but player set points. This doesn't need, you don't need to be passing the username here. I think we just keep track of the username of player. Var usernames is an array. Well, shit, it's gonna be a dictionary, isn't it? Well, what if we have default placeholder entries, right? And then on clients network dot handle player spawned, we go creates temp entry, creates placeholder entry. Here we go, func creates placeholder entry, and this is player spawn player. It's play spawn player, right? Spawn player, and then here we go var new entry is of config.fimsh entry is equal to config.fimshentry.new. The new entry.id is equal to player.id, and new entry.username is equal to player.username. New entry.score 0. Do we have anything else on fimsh entry? I don't remember. Where is it? Config. No, just ID username score. Okay, that's fine. And then if we head back to the leaderboard, yeah. Spawn player handle. This is connect. Why did I say I've been dying? Because I have been. Like, I don't know what it is, but like every day in the last like 3 days, I woke up with like a headache and feeling sick. And then the days have been kind of a slog. Today I don't know, it ended up okay. But yeah. Yeah, but I also realized pretty much every day of this year I felt like I'm in a rush the whole entire time. And so part of today I was like, yo, I'm gonna sit down and I'm not gonna like just scroll through YouTube. I'm not gonna just like click on Discord things and scroll through random channels. Whenever I go to do something, it has to be intentional. So I sat down, I was like, okay, what am I intentionally gonna do now? So I cleaned my desk, I cleaned my bed, I had a shower, I ate some food, I did some YouTube script writing, I started working on my second YouTube script, and then I watched a nice movie and had some food, and then I started stream, and it's been alright. And like the whole time I'm like making sure I don't feel rushed, because feeling like you feel like, yeah. Thank you for head pat. Thank you for the water as well, Salad. How are you doing? Yeah, it worked out pretty well for today. I'm gonna see if I can keep it up. But like the draw to just like scroll random Discord servers and scroll YouTube is strong. So I think I need to do because like a long time ago, I also was like, this was before shorts. I was like, yo, just watching YouTube infinitely. And like it's not good, so I'm reinstating the only watching YouTube intentionally. Like beforehand I'm like, yo, maybe Let's Game It Out has a video, and if they do I'll watch it, and if they don't I'll close it and not get trapped in the YouTube and stuff like that. So staying more organized, so maybe I can start being on top of things and feel less rushed. And also a big one is I keep going to bed with my headphones on, just watching something random. I think I'm gonna stop this. We will see. I kind of want to, because it's kind of nice when you can just like turn off the computer, lay in bed, you just have ambient noise, the computer's off so there's no computer noise, and you just chill. But you know, sometimes you don't feel like that, and I'm like, I don't know, I might try that today. Make bed the rest area. Because you know, also if you're feeling like earlier I was feeling pretty overwhelmed because of the whole rushing thing, I just laid in bed and I put a 20-minute timer on, and I just did nothing. I just laid in bed. I did sleep a little in that 20 minutes, but I have like dreams and stuff. But like, I don't know, whenever I have a good 20-minute nap, it's like when I say 20-minute, I mean I put the timer for 20 minutes, I hop in bed, and whatever happens in that time, yeah, that is the nap, and it's fantastic. So I might go back to doing those more often. What are we doing? Oh, right. The example thing. Yeah. Okay, so we have the ID and the username here and the score here. Okay, so removing from leaderboard, this is fine. Client set points. If it has the entry, we update the points, but if it does not have the entry, we don't create a new one of these. We get it from we go var entry config .fimsh entry is equal to placeholder entry get. Oh well, we don't have the index of it. Okay, we'll just go for placeholder in placeholder entries. If placeholder is equal to placeholder.id is equal to player.id, then we can go entry is equal to placeholder. Do I need to clone it? What's wrong with the if? Player does have an ID. Placeholder should have an ID, right? Did I spell it wrong? Makes use of tables and indentations. Was there a space here? Yeah. Oh yeah. That's fine. But here we go. If not entry, then entry is equal to config.fimsh entry new entry.username unknown entry.id is equal to player.id and entry.score is equal to, well, we're gonna do the score, that's fine. And then yeah, this is entry point value. We then append it here. Okay, nice. So it should have the usernames now. Maybe not. You won't if they're already in game though, I think. Let's see if any of this works. It might just break. It's probably gonna break. Almost certainly gonna break. It did not break. What the? Okay, it did break. Paint entry. Where is this error? Invalid access property key point value on. Oh, this is player. Dot point value. Stop. Play. We go server. Clients. Play. Clients. Play. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, that's not good. Okay, they're both unknown. God damn it. They should not both be unknown. Other Fimsh's tails are incorrect. Okay, that's note to self. Where is my leaderboard? Okay, they're both unknown. They should not be unknown. Okay, stop. Create player, spawn player. Yeah, here if we go print player.username, push warning, player.username. Let's see if they're actually getting the username. Client. Okay, where is that client? Starting server. Nothing. What? Oh, here. Client play. Fantastic bunny. Slimy. Okay, yeah. Okay, it is working correctly. They're both unknown though. Oh wait, we're not adding it. Hang on. Place hold entries dot append. New entry. That will fix a few things. Also, when someone dies, we need to remove it, I think. Well, actually, yeah, okay. So only in one case. Okay, hang on. What if they already have an ID? Okay, yeah, we go. If where's our function for it? Here. Copy. Maybe this should be a function in itself. Yeah. If it already has a place. If not entry, if it doesn't exist, then we make entry exist. Entry is equal to new. Here we'll just go Entry is equal to this, this, and this. Oh, here. Let's go bar. Can we replace this? Do we want to remove it? Do we want to replace it? Oh man, I don't know. What if we don't do this? What if we go, placeholder.username is equal to player.username and placeholder.score is equal to 0, and then we return. And then if we don't return, we're already here. We know the entry doesn't exist. We go entry, ID, username, score, and then we add that in. Yeah. So we go var entry. This is a config.fimsh. Yeah, fimsh entry, that's right. And then we just append that to the end of this. Yeah, nice. Why does it not like this? This needs to be entry. Wait, the placeholder one, the score should always be 0. That's fine. We just update the username on the ID if it exists. Yeah. Okay, nice. Let's see if that works. Play. Oh. Oh, it killed the editor. I mean, I guess we'll see if it works. Server? Client? Client? Play? Play? Oh shit, I died. Oh, Fimshtastic Flash, it works! I need them both to be alive so I can see two enemy. Oh yeah, Fimsh Food and Fimshtastic Flash. Nice! Okay, nice. That's poke. It does work. Alright. We should like make them even somehow. Anyway, the editor died, so time to reopen Godot. Don't be tricked, this is not Godot. Oh yeah, one of the windows doesn't have any decorations. What happened? It doesn't tell me what happened. Shouldn't have received 8 bytes, go 1 byte instead. Cannot call close on a null value. Cannot call close on a null value? What the? Is it gonna update? I don't think it's gonna update. I did run it correctly, right? Oops. Yeah, I did. This one. Oh no. Oh no. My setup is broken. I broke VK capture. I broke VK capture. GG. Oh, why? How? Let me just close this. Let me go system monitor. We are running out of RAM. Godot. Let's kill all of Godot things. Oh, okay. Maybe it will work again. Okay. Let's see if everything actually saved, because we know it compiled, but we don't know if it saved correctly, so we go play. Server. Client, Fimsh Food, Fimshtastic Food. Yeah, it works fine. Nice. Alright. Okay, that's nice. Leaderboard done. Share username correctly done. Add new username overhead in game. Okay, that can be done. So player. So we need it over the head here. So I think what we do is we go add child. We need like a text node that follows the player. How do we do that? Is it a sprite? Is it a text? I mean, if I type text, it doesn't show me label. Well, okay, it does show me. Create. Layout. Anchors. Let me put it inside the sprite. Okay, if I go like username now. Oh, it's backwards. Oh, that's interesting. Transform. Yeah, -1. We need to undo that. And 180. Maybe not negative. Oh, wait. 180. Oh, we need to detach this -1 on the Y. Yeah. Position. I kind of don't want to do this right now. This seems difficult. Well, it's not difficult, it just seems frustrating because I need it to grow with the head as well. I think we don't do that right now. Hello, Eric Ray, welcome. How you doing? What do we have left to do? Yeah, add username, client, respawn. Fimsh to grow when given points. I haven't done that yet. Bugs, if you grow, yeah, that's fine. Visuals, right, we haven't done food, background, and we don't have any cool effects. Alright, we want a cool action that the player can do. I don't know what it does, what it will be. We might need boost to like, yeah, boost would be nice, I think. If we don't have a unique action, boost is what it's gonna be, I think. Maybe a few seconds of immunity at the beginning? Maybe. Maybe blue circle under joints for long fimsh. Oh, I see. I don't know how we do that. Let me think. Well, I kind of need to start testing this, I think. Ooh, we should display ping. Displaying ping. Or like have a way to toggle ping. Oh, we need some window shenanigans as well. My god. Is that under like project settings? Name Longfinch. Oh yeah, okay, we don't have a boot splash. Window. Resizable. I think we make resizable false, I think. Wireless stretch mode disabled. Aspect keep. Yeah, keep is fine. Orientation, landscape, v-sync, fine. Mouse cursor, that's fine. Audio buses, that's fine. Rendering. GUI. Textures. We want nearest. Repeat, it's disable. Geo compatibility, that's fine. Viewport. We don't care about HDR. We don't care about MSAA or TAA. Environment. Default clear color, that's fine. Snap 2D transforms to pixel, that's cool, but no. Input device. Don't care. Don't care about that. Physics, common, ticks per second, yeah, that's fine. Gravity, physics engine, that's fine. 3D. Well, we don't have any 3D, this shouldn't matter. OpenXR is not enabled, that's fine. Shaders are not enabled for XR specifically. Movie Writer, what the? Navigation, 2D. That's fine. Layer names. Yeah, we have that already, that's fine. File system? That's fine. Input map. We have not used an input map. Localization. We don't have localization. Shader globals groups. Auto load plugins. Import default. Yeah, okay, save close. So I think texture filtering nearest is all we changed. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's pretty pog. What I did want to do is, how can we? Okay. User entry. Oh, that's here. So I think what we want to do here is we want to have a control here. So we add node control. Yep. Not as a child. No. Here, after the name, we go layouts, container sizing, expand horizontally, and then I think this fixes the scores not lining up, because I think this makes all the scores on the very right hand side. I hope. No, but it does line them up. Well, we do have kinda similar names. Let's try a longer name. Why is it not updating? Oh. Play. Okay, one of the fimshes has a really long name. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's nice. Although... Stop. Why is there a big space to the right? What does this do? What if I get rid of that control? Score has a minimum. What if score doesn't have a minimum? Clients. So we go here. So on this one, I'll just copy paste this a few times. Play. So there should be a really long name, but it should still all be lined up. Yeah, okay, nice. It's alright. We need to change the text limit, but that's okay. Stop. Save. Can we put a limit to the text? So play game. This one. Max length. 25 characters? Maybe 30? I don't know. Let's go 30. 25 should be enough for now. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. Nice. I don't know. I think I'm done for today. Yeah, I am. We did make a bunch of progress, which is nice. I believe we have lots of raid targets, if I'm not mistaken. A lot of good ones. Yeah, we have Frebma. Yeah, let's go raid Freb. Meet tab. Alright. Hello Nora's chat, and bye bye Nora's chat. Bye bye. Good night, good night. Where's Twitch? Where's Twitch? No worries. We'll see everyone tomorrow. We're getting really close to finishing this, so I might set this up for a test tomorrow on next stream. Like on next stream. Maybe ready for next stream, but I don't know. Like I'm excited to try this. Yeah, everyone have fun, eat well, and don't forget to just like chill out sometimes. It's important. Give your brain space to like process everything. Anyway, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.